Hello, my name is Danielle, and I'm excited to introduce to you the Departmental Honors Program here at Bridgewater State University. In this presentation, I'll provide an overview of the program, explain the honors research and creative project process, and highlight the many benefits of participating. I recently completed Departmental Honors in Theater Arts and Elementary Education, and I'm looking forward to sharing what I learned personally on the way. It's truly a rewarding and academic opportunity, and I hope that this introduction inspires you to consider becoming a part of the program. Upper level students are encouraged to apply for departmental honors, where they complete honors coursework within their major. Departmental honors students complete honors projects or research on topics of personal interest under the mentorship of faculty in their department. Admissions criteria such as cumulative GPA, major GPA, course prerequisites, they all vary by department. In departmental honors, students earn a total of 9 honors credits at the 300 or 400 level during their junior and senior years. 3 to 6 credits are earned in the form of an honors capstone or thesis, and remaining credits earned in the form of honors contracts and 3 one-credit colloquia, which are for psychology majors only, or research grant waivers. Students may pursue interdisciplinary honors, which combines 2 fields of study, either 2 majors or a major and a minor. Interdisciplinary honors is composed of 9 honors credits between the total of 2 departments. The honors thesis or capstone is the culminating research or creative project for all honors students. Many students describe it as the most meaningful and rewarding experience of their university journey, and I wholeheartedly agree. Students appreciate the one-on-one mentoring, immersing themselves in an area of study they love, and producing an exemplary sample of their work for graduate school and competitive job opportunities. I completed an interdisciplinary honors capstone in theater arts and elementary education. For my project, I created a professional resource website for educators that shares research-based ideas and practical tools to help teachers use active learning strategies in their own classrooms. An honors contract is an independent project or assignment in a 3 or 4 credit 300 or 400 level course within the student's major. Students not only have the opportunity to research a topic that they are passionate about, they also work closely with a faculty mentor in their field. For my project, I wrote a 5-page paper exploring the importance of decolonizing the elementary school curriculum and describing clear, actionable methods educators can apply to bring this approach into their teaching practice. Why choose departmental honors? Departmental honors is more than an academic distinction. It's an opportunity to challenge yourself, deepen your learning, and stand out. Develop expertise in your field. Honors coursework gives you the chance to explore topics in your major more deeply and creatively. You'll engage with new and interesting ideas, take a closer look at specialized areas, and expand your knowledge in ways that feel exciting and meaningful, all while strengthening your confidence in the field. Receive one-on-one faculty mentorship. Honors students work closely with a faculty mentor on an honors contract and a thesis or capstone project. This supportive, personalized mentorship encourages meaningful academic growth, builds lasting professional connections, and leads to strong letters of recommendation for postgraduate opportunities. Students have the opportunity to manage an independent research or creative project. The honors thesis or capstone demonstrates that a student can oversee a long-term project, conduct research, analyze complex information, and present work at a professional level, all skills highly valued by graduate schools and employers. Finally, students have the freedom and flexibility to pursue their personal interests. Students design projects around topics that they're passionate about, integrate multiple fields of study, or explore interdisciplinary connections, creating an experience that is both meaningful and uniquely tailored to their goals. We hope this introduction inspires you to consider joining the program. You can learn more on BSU's website, follow us on social media, or reach out by phone or email. We look forward to connecting with you soon.